this is a Don't Know Much About Minute. Have you ever heard of Mildred Loving? Probably not, most of us haven't. But she did something very important in American history, and we should all know about it. Back in 1958, Mildred married Richard Loving in Washington, D.C. Then they went to Virginia, where they were arrested in the middle of the night. What had they done? Well, Mildred Loving was black and Richard Loving was white. They had broken the laws of Virginia, which forbid interracial marriage. It took long 9 years, but eventually the Supreme Court overturned that law in 1967, and Mildred Loving and Richard Loving were able to have a loving relationship. It's kind of extraordinary to think that when Barack Obama was born in 1961, his parents couldn't have gotten married in the state of Virginia, the home state of Washington and Jefferson and 6 other American presidents. At the heart of that decision by the Supreme Court was the 14th Amendment. I keep a copy of the U.S. Constitution nearby, and I like to refer to it often, because these are the rights that we all possess, and we have to understand them. The 14th Amendment, which gives us due process and equal protection under the law, was actually passed after the Civil War, but it's been so involved in every major decision in the last 50 years, whether it's Brown versus Board of Education or Roe v. Wade. You should learn more about the 14th Amendment and your constitutional rights, and you can do that at don'tknowmuch.com, where I have some blogs about the 14th Amendment and the Loving case. Thanks a lot.